Finished ang
How many stoplights? This one and the another.
في بعد واحد.
واحد؟
إيه.
كبير مو صغير.
If we are near to the stoplight, you will tell latafi, okay? So that way latafi.
Latafi.
No, we are not going to pass that way. We are going to the other side. Near the Hadika Shahid. That one.
Which one?
The stoplight. Means you had a good workout today because you had you have a sweat. You are sweating too much. I mean. Oh, wait naman. See? That's what we need every day. We have to sweat. You know what is sweat?
Yes,
What is that in Arabic?
the word in Arabic or Kuwaiti?
Kuwaiti.
Kuwaiti, Arak.
Harag.
Arak.
Arag. Arag. Arag.
Not
Kalas na. Kahirap ba na anak mo eh?
You don't know.
Si motorcycle. Oh.
You want this motorcycle?
Yes, I want.
I got
Don't drink water ah.
Abby, I'm not too much yet. I want to go to the bathroom.
لا اشرب مي لا اشرب مي.
أنا يبي ما.
لا اشرب. انت اشرب مي بعدين يجيب واجد حمام. انت تقول حسين انا يبي حمام بعدين انا صرت انا Saja na?
Sa. Naihiya kasi siya. Latafi. No, it's not yet. It's very far pa. It's very far pa gani. Okay. Latafi. Yala. Latafi. Yala. Latafi.
Beep.
Yalla.
لطفي.
ما في هريك سيارة قدام.
Mako.
لطفي.
ليش؟
لطفي.
لطفي. Yalla, because it's big. It's long, still long. Latafi. Yehey. Latafi, yalla. Latafi. Yalla, this is my. Latafi. Okay. Yehey, we are near to our destination, Abdullah Salem.
Destination.
Destination.